First, measure the key thickness for modification. The key thickness is about 180 mm. Click Blade Modification. Create thickness. Input the measured value, 180, into the screen. Select Cut Extra 5 mm, then click Cut. Select Single Side Cutting, switch to S1 key jaw. Clean of shavings. Select 2 point. Fix the key blank to the jaw. Align the key head with the tip edge of the key jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Click Cut to start cutting. After modification is done, make sure the jaw is clean of shavings to avoid compromising cutting precision. Remove key blank. Click Chinese car, BYD, Han EV. Fix the original key by tip alignment on the jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, fix the key blank by tip alignment on the jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the jaw is clean of shavings. Click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done, please clean shavings and test. The new key works well.